Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the LED flash notification on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Maybe you want a visual feedback if you get messages or any other notifications, or you just like the flash notification, whatever it is. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to accessibility and then go to advanced settings and click on flash notification. Flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notifications or when alarms sound. So here you can enable and disable the camera flash notification. You see here how that would look. I just check it actually doesn't show you a preview of it. And then you can also customize the screen flash notification. Can enable or disable this, and you can say all apps or just selected apps, so you can customize when you want the screen flash notification to work. I'm gonna say all apps now and click on preview, and then that's what it would look like if I get notifications. You can say with what app you want this to work, or if you don't want this to turn off with just any app. So that's up to you. So that's how you get to your flash notification. I think it's actually pretty hidden, but we found it. Here you can customize it. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.